Hi guys, my name is Andre and I'm in the middle of Manhattan, and I just want you to take a look on top. You see these guys hanging over there? This is my team of professional window cleaners. We do commercial and residential window cleaning. We specialize in rope access works. If you're looking for the window cleaners in New York, I'll be happy to help you, and me and my professional team will do our best to make your building sparkle clean. We do glass cleaning, metal cleaning, post-construction, regular maintenance cleaning of the glass, facades, power washing, anything you need that requires access with the rope, boom lift, or from interior, we can do it. So give us a call. Total Window Service, New York City. Have a good day.